The Get to WERX program started out with a large contract that NIAR got to modify airplanes. And they were going to need a large number of A&P mechanics. There was no way there were that many to hire.
And the best place to get A&P mechanics is WSU Tech. And I said, okay, well, let's go talk to Sherry. And they started talking to me about, well, maybe we can get them there in 6 months. Maybe we can get them there in 12 months. And I'm like, hold on, I don't just want a degree. I want a kid that actually knows what he's doing.
So we thought hard and we created Get to WERX.
You have your job in your career field day one, and day two, you start your education.
Get to WERX gives them the chance to put their desire to work together with side-by-side training with people who are involved in the business and doing the work that these young men and women want to do in the future.
What we're trying to do is knock down barriers of anyone that wants to advance their work or advance their degree or learn a new skill. Someone's always got a barrier, right? So that's really what the Get to WERX is. There's no excuse. It's Get to Work.
You know, Kansas is the perfect place for Get to WERX. And I would tell anybody that's thinking about how do I get a good, high-paying job and you want a path to get that job, Get to WERX.